Hey everyone. Looks like you just got me today. Why? Because Greg is trying to work on our windows. Let's see if I can, I'm not going to get too close, but he's right there at that window. You know, over the years, when you live somewhere and your windows, when you try to open them, all of a sudden they slam back down. And it's because some type of string or something in there. Well, he's trying to fix that. We've got several windows that are like that. So I'm not going to waste this beautiful day. It's been probably close to 80 today. And I'm staying outside. We already did a walk. I've come to a decision that I am going to take all my strawberries out of the Greenstalk because they are just not doing anything in here. I mean, you know, they're starting to bloom a little bit, but you know, all last summer we'd get a strawberry here or there and it kind of looked deformed a little bit. So I'm pulling them all out and got a couple of them on top of here on this Greenstalk too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull them up. Sorry about the shadows. I was going to wait till a little bit later in the day, but I want to get this thing started. I'm going to put some in this one and then some in that one. These are two of the new ones that we got. I was going to do nothing but herbs in here, but I'll still do the herbs in that one, and that one, and that one. So hopefully that'll be enough. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I'm going to take the strawberries out, and I'm getting ready. The bok choy, all that went to seed. I'm going to go ahead and pull those up and probably plant some more just to see what it'll do. Then I got to figure out what I'm going to do with my Greenstalks. I'm not having very good luck with them this year. I mean, last year I had romaine galore, and now you can see it's just not really wanting to do anything. And I don't know why. So our collards are slowly going away. I see something. Yeah, I'm barefooted. I'm doing some grounding. That one, that collard's starting to go to seed. So is that one. So that means it's getting time for them to go away. We cut these here and took them to my dad. And I think Greg took some to his mom too this week. But I mean, even my lettuce isn't doing any good. I don't know why. I have no idea. I was trying to do some winter sowing with some stevia seeds to try to grow a few plants, but they hadn't even come up yet, so I'm kind of giving up on those. My Napa cabbage is going to seed, so it's about time for them to go. My broccoli, as you can see, it's gone to seed. However, I might let them stay a little bit because I got a bunch of bees just flying all over them. It's a big one. Really cute. So I might go ahead and just let them stay. They're not hurting anything. We haven't been getting any broccoli off of them. So I did plant a lot of mustard, and it is coming up. If it'll have time to do something before it gets too warm, we'll see. That's more collards right there. Greg planted some onions, and we got some onions popping up in different places, so that's good. Got a bluebird nest coming up in there. I keep seeing them go in there and she does her little dance. Anyway, the radishes, I think we're about to pull them up too. I'm trying to figure out what I want to grow on these this year. I don't know. I want to do the Kajari melons. That's what I had on this one, and then on that other one I had, what was it called? Something that the bugs didn't attack, and it tastes just like zucchini, but to me I thought it was better. But I mean the plant looked great, but I think it blocked the Kajari melons from doing anything. We got one melon. Hey, one's better than nothing, right? So still got to figure out what I'm going to do with that one. That one will be strawberries if I have to. These collards, they're getting ready to go. They're not really doing anything, but they're good size to, you know, just kind of wash them off and put them in a pot. We'll see. I think I might go ahead and plant a few zinnia seeds. I got so many of them. If we get another cold spell, which we will, hopefully it won't have snow included, and those die, I got more. So it's fine. I'm going to plant some other flowers in here. Still not sure what I'm planting that one. It's probably going to be some type of flower. But anyway, the Brussels sprouts, they were looking good. But yeah, they're still looking pretty good. Not exactly sure how tall. I don't think they're going to get any taller. That's probably about as tall as they're going to get. So, but it's the first time having them. So at least we're getting something. Over here is a cauliflower. And what looks like it's going to seed. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. But it almost looks like it's going to seed. I thought they were just, you know, coming up to flower. But, you know, the more I look at it and then see these two, I think they're just going straight to seed. You see that one? It looks kind of pretty. I don't know. I might just go ahead and pull them up too. The cabbage is getting near the end. This one here still has a pretty good head, about the size of a softball. This one here, he's not hard at all, so probably just his leaves will do it. Got a couple of radishes in there, not really doing anything. And then we got these few cabbage in here. Those collards we already pulled up. Here, I was trying to let it go a little bit because the dandelions are up. Sorry. I'll show you why I'm kind of icky with the cough and stuff. You see that right there? That Bradford pear tree? It's throwing off pollen. And grass right now is high too. And so it appears I'm allergic to them. And that's what's going on. So, but I was hoping to leave the dandelion here so the pollinators would have something to eat on. Put out little flowers, so. But I might just clean it out and start over, and who knows what I'm gonna put in there. I need to plant something that likes shade. If anybody has any idea, something that will attract the hummingbirds and butterflies and bees and stuff, please leave them in the comments. I know nothing about flowers. I don't know nothing about gardening. We're still learning. I did plant some tomato seeds. Of course, I left the things inside. They were getting leggy. No, I don't have grow lights. No, I don't have a heating pad. I just had them sitting in the window because it gets a lot of sun in the front. But I know, let's see, I'm going that way. I think these were the beef sticks. I can't remember. I've got the 4 of them here. What I'll do is I'll take a picture of the seed packets and I'll have Greg put it all right here. Now these here, these are my kind of interesting seeds. For one, I can't remember what's in here. All I know is I got these out of my freezer. These are tomatoes. I have no idea what that is. I can't remember what I planted. It's terrible getting old. You can't remember anything. But anyway, I just put them here as an experiment just to see if they would germinate. Well, so far we got a little bit. But I brought them out here hoping that the wind would kind of blow them around a little bit and make them a little bit stronger because they're so leggy. Oh, leggy. Just want to lay down. So, who knows? But anyway, just wanted to give y'all a little update. I'm not going to bore y'all with watching me plant the strawberries. I'll pick it up when I get, I'm probably not going to get finished with all of them today, but who knows. Then I got to figure out what else I'm going to plant in the Greenstalks. I might plant some of, oh, I don't know if you can see on that arch over there is the male bluebird, I think. Oh, there's a female on the other one right here with a mealworm. Oh man, GoPro, please make a zoom in on that, because that would actually made a good picture. So, but yeah, they're coming from their afternoon snack. Anyway, let me get busy or else I'm not going to get nothing done. Okay, I haven't watered them yet, but I was able to put some in this one, and then I put some in this one. I haven't watered them or anything yet, but I think what I'm going to end up doing is I don't want to use up any of my other tubes just for the strawberries because I have other things I want to plant. So I think what I'm going to do is kind of take these apart and see if I can break apart them, because it looks like there's a few different ones. Maybe spread it out to where there's one per pocket, and maybe they just don't have enough room to grow. So that's the reason why they're doing what they're doing. So I'm going to give that a try, but not today. It's getting pretty late and I'm getting cold. It's like 71 out here and I'm getting cold. We still got a little bit of a breeze. But I think that's all I'm going to do for today. So appreciate you guys watching, and sorry Greg wasn't with me. He's still over there working on the window. So he's determined to do it his way. So anyway, we'll see you on the next one.